Now, FIRs have been lodged in District Cyberabad Sarur Nagar Police Station for the blast in Tiffin Center. There's been another FIR that has been filed in Hyderabad for the bomb blast at a bus stop. 2 FIRs have now been filed in the Hyderabad blast probe. Remember, 14 are dead, 119 are injured, and the top focus continues to be on the IM operatives that have been wrecked the Hyderabad blast site in 2012. Deepthi joins us live for more information. Deepthi, what is the latest updates that you have?
The latest that we are getting to know from here is that 2 FIRs have been lodged about this blast, one in the Cyberabad limits and one in the Hyderabad limits. 2 different FIRs have been lodged, and these are the FIR copies that you can see. This is the particular FIR copy which has been filed in Hyderabad limits about a blast at near the bus stand here near the Dilshuk Nagar bus stop. The sections under sections of 302, 307 and also the sections 3 and 5 of Explosive Substances Act have been filed in this FIR, and there is a second FIR which has been filed in Cyberabad police station limits. This particular FIR is pertaining to the bomb blast at the Anand Tiffin Center near Konark Theatre, and even this FIR is also filed under sections 324, 326, 307 and also under sections 3 and 5 of Explosive Substances Act. 2 FIRs that have been filed, and FIRs have been the complainants in both the FIRs is the FIR in Cyberabad police station limits. The complainant is Mr. Anand, who is the owner of Anand Tiffin Center, and in the second FIR is Mr. Sheikh Jani Pasha, who has filed this FIR in Hyderabad police station limits.
Deepthi, also give us the latest update. The blasts have ripped through the heart of Hyderabad. 2 FIRs have now been filed, but what is the sort of action that the authorities there are taking?
The action that what we see here is that there is a beeline of VIPs at this blast site, and if I can ask my camera person to pan you through the blast site. This is the blast site near the Anand Tiffin Center. This area has completely been cordoned up. The central investigating teams are still here, and they are trying to still collect forensic samples and trying not to leave any trace behind that might lead them to the perpetrators of this bomb blast. Also, the entire city has been put on high alert. Apart from that, the intelligence teams are in a high-level meeting, trying to collaborate the information that they are getting from Delhi and also from various other parts. And also, they are trying to connect the dots between the 2007 and also the intelligence reports that they have been getting all this time. The high-level intelligence meeting is still going on. They are trying to connect the dots and see if they can pinpoint to one particular organization and one particular outfit or a person, and any links that they might get from Hyderabad or past few days. The CCTV footages are being scanned through for past few days in and around the city, so that if they can try and get any clues.